Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into what is hands down the best Chucky baby costume you can find on the market right now. If you're looking for a perfect Halloween outfit for your little one that combines comfort, cuteness, and that iconic Chucky horror vibe, this Toddler Kids Baby Boy Girl Halloween Chucky doll costume from the brand fyclemt is exactly what you need. This costume is a two-piece set featuring a long-sleeve striped top and suspender pants, inspired directly by the infamous Chucky doll from the horror series. The striped top comes in vibrant multicolor stripes, true to the character's style, and is paired with adorable blue suspender pants that add a charming vintage touch. What makes this costume stand out is not just the look but also the thoughtful design aimed at toddlers. Made from 100% polyester, the fabric is soft, skin-friendly, and breathable, ensuring your child stays warm and comfortable through those fall, winter, and spring months. The material is designed to be gentle on sensitive baby skin, so you don't have to worry about any irritation. Plus, it's easy to care for since it's machine washable, perfect for parents who want a hassle-free costume option. The fit is loose and casual, giving your child enough room to move freely whether they're trick-or-treating or just playing around at a Halloween party. The suspender pants have button closures, ribbed cuffs, and a full-length design that keeps the outfit securely in place and cozy. The round-neck long-sleeve top adds extra warmth and style, making this an all-around great outfit for your toddler. When it comes to sizing, this costume offers a range that covers babies and toddlers from 12 months up to 5 years old. So whether you have a little one just starting to walk or a preschooler ready to impress, you can find the perfect fit. The size chart provides detailed measurements for tops and pants to help you pick the right size confidently. Another great aspect is how versatile this costume can be. Besides Halloween, it works well as a cute daily outfit during cooler seasons thanks to its soft fabric and playful design. It's also a fantastic gift idea for parents looking to dress their little kids in something unique and thematic. Overall, this toddler Chucky costume hits the sweet spot between authenticity and practicality. It brings the recognizable horror character to life in an adorable, toddler-friendly way. The durable material, comfortable fit, and detailed design elements all contribute to making this costume a top choice for Halloween or any costume event. So if you want your baby or toddler to stand out this Halloween with a costume that looks great, feels good, and is easy to care for, the fyclemt Chucky doll costume set is the way to go. Thanks for watching Product Critique, where we help you find the best products out there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our honest reviews. See you next time.